Hey everybody, it's Kerry from Bab's Speed Warehouse on Sunday morning. And hey, we had a heck of a morning. Babs and I cleaned out the garage. We're finally replacing a garage door that Ian did its number on, and getting a hurricane impact garage door finally. So I'm back at the store finally. That's a lot of finallys. And we're doing a new thing here. We're going to give it a try, see how y'all like it. We're going to do weekly specials. We're going to have a different special every week, and this week we're going to do Amethyst. I've got a lot of new Amethysts, a lot of old Amethysts, and we're making it into a lot of inexpensive Amethysts. All of it is quite beautiful. Some of it's Brazilian, some of it's African, some of it we don't know where it's from, but it is all genuine Amethyst. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hey, here we go. All right, here we go. We got some rondelles here, 10 millimeter. Faceted, short strand, 8 inches. They're going to be half price, $48. So they'd be on sale for $24. We've got a little longer strand, a little bit smaller. I think this is 8 millimeters. About 15 inches. I think it's the same price because this one is $75. So it'll be on sale for $37.50. That's what they call Cape Amethyst. Got a little more lavender in it. Oh, how about some melon cuts? These are really cool. These are cut like melons. Very neat, all hand done. And these were 200 on sale for $100. 16 inches. Got a bunch of these cubes. We've got 5 strands. These are not faceted. We also have faceted cubes. These are actually already made into necklaces, but who cares? You could take them apart or you can wear them just as they are. $80 on sale for $40. Why am I talking like this? I do not know. Maybe I'm punch drunk. Oh, this is really nice. Whoops, I almost lost the camera. I hope I didn't hurt anybody over there. Okay, this is your deep African amethyst. Very nice quality. I think these are 8 millimeter. They look about 15, 16 inches. They're 135 carats in case anybody cares. And $48 and on sale for $24. That's a good deal over there. All right, what else we got? We got the vase cuts. This is real popular, vase cuts. They're smooth. They're inexpensive, $20 on sale for $10 if you want some vase cuts. $10 a strand. Ooh, I've got a whopper here. Check this out. Very nice color. Very, very nice color. You want a lot of amethyst? You got a lot of amethyst here. They're nice and chunky. 501 carats. That's a lot of carats there. And they were $180, so they'd be on sale for $90. That's a sweet deal there. I only have one strand of this. These are faceted ovals, deep color, 8 inches. Graduates from smaller to larger. And this was 74, so divide that in half. 37 buckaroos. What else we got? We got some faceted coins. These are nice. We got these 3. Yeah, we got 3 faceted coins here. These are nice larger sizes. And these were, I cannot see, $200. So $100. I might have put them for 99. Who knows? Maybe. All right, I've got some faceted cubes, 2 different sizes. One 6 millimeter, one 7 millimeter. They are both the same price, but you can choose which one you want. And these were 72, so that would be $36 a strand. I've got, is this from another tray? This is a small coin. Interesting bead. This is 92, so it would be $46. I think I put this one online. Who knows? All right, moving along to the next tray. Here's some nice small coins. These look like 8 inches. $40. That would be $20 in your money. Oh, that's a good deal, 20 bucks for these. I like the way they lay nice and flat and faceted. Alrighty. Yep, well, we got more of them. I'm not going to show you more of the exact same thing. This is coming up next is your Cape Amethyst. This amethyst is a lavender color. These are faceted nuggets, 8 inches, 100 bucks, so that'd be 50 bucks. $50. And we've got some larger nuggets, also 8 inches. Also Cape Amethyst. These are a little bit lighter in color, so a little bit less money. $92, so this would be $46 a strand. These are nice. Get these. Trust me, get these. I've got one strand of graduated briolets, deep African color, African amethyst, top drilled. Oh, this is crazy. These were $28, so your price is 14 bucks. But there's some crazy pricing. I've got some rounds. These might be 5mm, could be 6mm. You'll tell by the price. 30 bucks. On sale for $15. This is that beautiful mid-color amethyst. Clean, really clean amethyst. Just beautiful amethyst. Zoom back out. Okay, now I've got some Brazilian amethyst, 8mm. These aren't as clear. These are a little cloudier, as you can see in the video. But hey, if you want to add purple, real purple, 15 bucks is your cost. 8mm. Such a deal. Then I've got giant paddle. Well, not that giant, but big paddles. They're smooth. They're smooth and they are inexpensive. $40 down to $20 a strand. I bet you figured that one out on your own, didn't you? And last but not least, up one there. These look about 6mm, top quality amethyst. Top quality. These are 36, these would be $18 a strand. These I only have 4 strands of. 18 bucks a strand, and hey, that's it for this Sunday. We'll have more next week on the deals. Maybe citrine next week. What do you think? Put it down in the comment sections. We could do citrine, aquamarine, or imperial topaz briolets. Go make your choice. Put it down in the comment section if you're watching this on YouTube. And that's all I've got it for now. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.